Welcome, I'm Jason from Cerakote. Today we're going to talk about our hook kit. This kit comes with hundreds of hooks. It includes small and large spring hooks, small and large C hooks, and J hooks. No matter what industry you're in, these hook kits are very versatile and should suit your needs. Whether it's firearm parts, automotive components, everyday items like a keyboard or a microphone, this hook kit should be able to suspend or rack that item as you need. We use these every day. For things like frames, rails, receivers, we need a way to spray it without having a shadow line, but still maintain that great part control. Our large spring hook we use on things like frames, an object where we can grab it from the inside and rotate it around. That as well with rails. Objects where we have a smaller area to grab it from, we need to use a small version of that same clip. So that's our small spring hook. Slides and upper receivers, we just need to hang it so we can spray it. So that's where this J hook is great. Other objects where you got to be crafty, you can use multiple hooks. So we have a spring hook inside this magazine as well as a J hook grabbing it from there, so that way I can spray it as I'm going along. Okay, and don't be afraid to modify these. Almost daily we have to grab these, bend them, cut them to make them work for our application, so you can do that as well. For more information, visit cerakote.com.